In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Perplexity pages in just 5 seconds. Now, doesn't that sound impressive? Let's dive right in to see how easy this process is and turn your past conversations into sleek, organized pages. First, you'll need to open up your web browser and head on over to Google. Yes, that's the simple starting point for our task today. Once you're on Google's homepage, the next step is to type the word Perplexity into the search bar. It's a straightforward task, and after typing, you'll hit Enter or click the search icon to initiate the search process. Once the search results appear, look for the official Perplexity website link. It should be one of the top results, and when you've found it, go ahead and click on that link to visit their website. You've now arrived at their homepage, which is where the magic begins. On the Perplexity homepage, look for the Home option. This is where you'll find all your past conversations and have the ability to convert them into pages. Take a moment to explore the interface if you're not already familiar with it. It's user-friendly and designed to make navigation a breeze. Now, this is where you exercise your choice. Select a conversation from your list. Choose the one you'd like to convert into a Perplexity page. Once you've selected, note the 3 horizontal dots in the upper right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to conversion, so click on those dots to reveal additional options. Among these options, you will see one that says Convert to Page. Click on this option and watch as your chosen conversation begins its transformation into a neat, structured page. It's as simple as that. Finally, be patient for just a brief moment as you wait for the results. The conversion happens quickly, and soon, you'll have a Perplexity page ready at your disposal. This page organizes the conversation, making it easier to share or reference later. Creating Perplexity pages is as quick and convenient as it sounds, allowing you to clear up any clutter and organize your conversations efficiently. It's a fantastic way to catalog information and share it with others. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow. Now, you can transform countless conversations into handy pages in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy converting!